my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm here again with another video showing how I created this gorgeous smoky shimmery eye look using Maybelline products. While I just finished perfecting my base, here's something I wanted to talk about. So 2023 is all about shining through your main character energy. Essentially, main character energy asks us to put our wants, needs and self-worth at the forefront when embarking on a first date or taking a relationship to a new plateau or even otherwise. It's a reminder to be happy with yourself and know your worth before bringing someone new into your life. For me, I am my own hero. I show myself real love by developing my own values and staying true to any commitments I've made to myself. Looking pretty has always made me feel special. I love getting ready, doing my makeup, be it for a romantic evening or a brunch date, for shopping or for a coffee meet with my girlfriends. So my base is done already, so let's begin with the look now. First, I'm going to take the Maybelline New York City Mini Palette. This palette has the perfect combination of deep pinks and neutral hues. We can use this one single palette for both day and night look. The palette has 6 shimmer and matte shades. It also comes with a cute applicator. And let me swatch it and show you how pigmented this is. It is supremely pigmented. I'll just go ahead and swatch it, and do you see how pigmented it is? The palette is a cute little palette. It's a handy dandy one, so you can easily fit this into your travel bag as well. I'm going to take this eyeshadow first. This is a very pretty cool toned brown and it's a matte shade, and I'm just going to apply it in the crease of my eyes and the outer corners. So I'm just going to pick this shade and apply it in the outer corners and my crease. Just blend the crease really well. It hardly took me any time to blend it. Just gonna apply the same on the other side. Such a pretty soft brown shade, and you can actually use it for daytime as well as nighttime, and you can build it as much as you want till the time you're happy with the color. So right now all I'm doing is I'm just adding this brown like a C in the outer corners of my eyes. You can also apply this brown shade all over your eyelids and it's just gonna look so gorgeous. It's already giving me a smoky brown effect and it looks absolutely stunning. The next shade I'm gonna take is this very pretty champagne shade. So I'm just gonna pick it up. I'm just taking the color and applying it in the center of my eyelids, just like that. In case you don't have a brush, you can also use your fingers to apply the product. It's super pigmented and it just looks so beautiful on the eyelids. Next shade I'm gonna take is this vanilla shade. It's a light cream shade. It's a matte shade and it looks beautiful. I'm just gonna apply it on the inner third area of my eyelids and just kind of blend everything together. With some other eyeshadow palettes, you just have to work a lot, but with this eyeshadow palette, it's very cute and compact, so you can take it as your travel buddy. Like, it's just very travel friendly, and you just don't have to work with the eyeshadows as much. It just blends super easy and it's very pigmented, so you just don't have to keep on applying the product. Now I'm going to apply the same brown shade on the lower lash line just to tie up the whole look. Picking up the product and just applying it on the lower lash line. The texture of the eyeshadows is like very buttery. We're also going to apply kajal on our lower lash line, so we'll come to that later, but for now the eyeshadow is completely done. It just did not take much time for me to apply the eyeshadow. It just blended super fast and it just looks absolutely stunning. So I'm done with the shadow now, and this is the moment of truth for me. I'm always scared of using eyeliners. I mean, it just scares the hell out of me because I've got hooded eyes, and to be honest, I'm not good with liners. Today I'm going to use the Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. This is a waterproof liner that claims 1-stroke blackout intensity. It lasts up to 36 hours and the tip of the liner is very precise. So I'm hopeful to achieve the perfect wing at one go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my upper lash line, and oh, the felt tip feels very soft and smooth. I'm just stamping the product on my eyelids And oh my god, wow, can you just see? I'm not doing anything. I'm not creating a line or anything. I'm just stamping the product. And wow, I'm done with the liner. It was that easy. Honest to God, I did not expect it to be this easy. I'm super, super impressed with the liner. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. I'm just stamping the product. I mean, wow, near perfect attempt in the first go. So yeah, as the claim suggests, the liner is really true to its claims. So all the beginners out there, or if you just want a compact, easy to carry liner, just go for it. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Gel Pencil. This is in the shade Smoky Black. These pencils are smudge-proof application. It lasts up to 36 hours and is sweat and fade resistant. The pigmentation is wow. It's also the blackest black I've ever seen. The application is very smooth, it's very buttery. It's also got a cute smudger at the end of the pencil, so you can smudge your kajal. I'm gonna apply this and also use the smudger. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line, just like that, and just bring it down a little bit so that I can smudge and create a smoky look. So I'm not bringing it down all the way. I'm just bringing it down from the outer corners till the center of my eyes. I'm not going towards the inner corners. And now taking the smudger, I am going to smudge the kajal just to create a very smoky eye look. Like, can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? It just creates like a very smoky effect once I smudge the kajal. So the kajal on the bottom lash line is smudged. Now again, I'm gonna take this brown and smudge it further, just creating a very, very smoky eyeshadow. And I want my bottom lash line to just blend really well with the eyeshadows and the kajal, and it just gives me that intense smoky eye look. For mascara, it's a no-brainer for me. My favorite, like forever favorite, Maybelline Sky High Mascara is what I'm going to use today. This is a waterproof mascara that offers limitless length and volume. This is my absolute favorite. This formulation is very lightweight, and this has a flexible brush that provides a clean application. No clumpy lashes anymore, and that's what I love about this. For my brows, I'm going to take the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pigment Pencil. This pencil sculpts you and gives a very naturally defined look. It has a unique sword tip that helps achieve the perfect brows. The other end has a dense spoolie that provides effortless smooth blending. First, I'm going to take the spoolie and just comb the hair through. And then I'm going to take the eyebrow pencil and just apply it in upward and outward motion. So I'm just going to fill in my brows, and it's super, super easy. And it's very, very easy. Wherever you want, you can just use the spoolie to blend it. And oh my god, look, with just the spoolie, my eyebrows look so much more fuller. I mean, wow, nicely shaped brows can really frame your face well, right? Now to set my brows in place, I am going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Styling Gel. This one sculpts your brows to give a full, fluffy and natural look. It has a two-way mini brush that provides an effortless application, and the gel is smudge-proof, waterproof and transfer-proof. Very easy to apply, holds your brows for a long time. This gel is available in 4 different shades, so you can choose whichever shade is close to your natural brow color. Now for my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. I'm going to use it in the shade 230 Transformer. These liquid lipsticks are extremely pigmented and they have very minimum to no transfer at all. They stay for a very long time, blends easily and do not feel uncomfortable on the lips. Once dried, this lipstick will transform into a complete matte finish. Alright guys, so this is my final look, and honestly I'm in love with this look. You too can create this look with Maybelline makeup products. All products will be listed in the description box below. So go grab your favorite Maybelline products, and please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel guys. Do recreate this look and share it on my Instagram. I would love love to see you recreate this look, and I am going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.